Hi, so I want to speak about Xpose, which is a model diagnostics package for primarily PKPD models. And again, I would like to talk about my experience with it. So, yeah, I mean, I have already made these models, and I just want to see how they are like or how they're performing. And so this is my directory where I have the models and they're already made. So I open that directory, and as you can see, there are a lot of models and a lot of tabs which are already made. So of course it's going to look crowded, and we're setting our working directory to that. Now here I have already installed Xpose. So I'm just going to click on that, and yeah, so of course it's going to give me all the warnings. Now I call Xpose function, which is essential if you want to run basic diagnostics. Now I want to process, say, this is my final, say, PK model, and it's a one compartment model. My drug is a drug which is anti-malarial, so it's an oral drug. So as you can see, as you know that oral drugs are usually bell-shaped curves in their concentration versus time graphs. And of course, our PD model depends on the PD effect, the pharmacodynamic effect, which is the reduction in parasites, and that's what we're looking at. So here, of course, you can see this. It's a free software with no warranty. Now I want to process my, as I said, my PD model, which is a one compartment model with different kind of covariates and also different kind of correlation. So this is run. So what I really enjoy about it is how you just have to enter the run number. And of course, Xpose does have direct communication with the PSN, and yeah. So now I'm just going to show you the different kinds of things you can do, because it gives you pretty much gives you the menu of it. So see, if I want to look at documentation, I can do that. Here what I do is I can of course change the run number here, and I don't want to do that, so I can exit. I want to see the parameter values here, and I can do that by, if I say run 9.lst, which is my parameters. You can export it as a text file, then it does that, which these are essentially my parameters. And I want to summarize the run. I can do that. I've already done that. Now I return to the previous menu. Now this was my documentation. This is all on the menu. Now I look at preferences. Now here, of course, I can change the run number again, which I do not want to because I want to go with this run. And here, if I want to manage variables, I can look at, like, I can change the predefined variables here. I can, which is going to show in which kind of variables I wanted to explore. I can do that here. I can change the independent variable. I can change the subset expression. Now, for example, I can change the subset expression. Now, which I don't want to do, but I'm just saying that if you had a PKPD model and you just wanted to view the PKPD data, just wanted to view the PD data, you would usually use an expression like this, which, which would specify a model of how you've done it or how you specified it, which again, I just have a PK model right now, which I'm using for which I want to show. And so I'm not going to be doing that. Now I want to return to the previous menu. I can look at data checkout. I can do various things here. Like here, if I do, I can numerically summarize a lot of my covariates. So here you can see the median weight, you can see the standard deviation, you can see the different kind of dependent variables. Here you can see the concentration. So it can show you the mean, median, first quartile, range, etc. Now, if I want to, the histogram is really simple and it'll show you all the covariates. And yeah, so that makes it much easier. Now, if I want to see the different other covariates which I've specified in my model, I just have to run a scatter plot and it'll do that for me. Now, goodness of fit is something I want to talk about. So, goodness of fit, as we know, is very important for our model diagnostics. So here, if I just want to say run and show, say, the individual plot and the basic goodness of fit, I've already entered the goodness of fit menu, which is selection 4. I just have to click on 2, which will show me the basic goodness of fit. And as you can see, it's quite good. And we already know that in R, you can easily export the, whether we want to save it as an image or PDF. Now, now that so as my basic goodness of fit, I want to see the individual plots because I want to see what is the individual pattern. So I just clicked 5, and of course this takes a few minutes sometimes because it and then it generates all the individual plots. I've done that. Now, yeah. So for visual predictive checks, you have to have one prepared visual predictive check file of like already simulated data and actual data, which I did on TSN, so I'm not going to do that. And of course, here you can have a lot of the license and citation if you need to cite it. So overall, my experience with Xpose was good, and I really like the fact that it just automatically reads the run tabs, and I enjoyed working with Xpose, and yeah, so this is my experience. I've shown you the different kind of things you can do in the Xpose menu. So yeah, so right now that's it for now. Thank you so much.